Okay, moment of truth. So we put the tank on, put the oil in, coolant liquid, connect everything, hopefully. Well, fuck it. No rattle. We have a lot of smoke from the left, but I think it's normal for a cold bike like this. We'll see after. But for now, accept all the smoke. I think everything looked just fine. Yeah. Okay, throttle bodies are synced. Okay, let's just go through it. I didn't bother with recording it because, you know, nothing so interesting about it. I just put this fairing up with the zip ties and these two screws just, you know, to hold this part of the engine because Nicola, my friend, needs to drive this to his house. We put the steering rod old back. As you know, if you need to order something from France, just don't. They fuck me like this is the second time, and I will never use French post office as a courier, as they charge us like 40 euros for shipping, and they still didn't move with that shipment from the France, and we ordered that like a week ago. So I suppose that is when you have union, then you work like that. Oh no, fuck them. We will not wait, we just put everything back We didn't torque anything, just put back so we can, you know, do the rest of the job. I put the clutch fluid, drained the clutch system, clutch worked great. What else? Yeah, we connect everything on, if you remember, on airbox. It was a little bit tricky to put the airbox manifolds on throttle bodies, but I managed to do that. You just need to be a little bit patient. You know, I torque these foot pegs, I torque the rear axle, check the chain slack. Actually, it was fine, some 3 centimeters, so right on the top. I like to go to the top of the value, so it's between 2 and 3 centimeters. I'm at 3 centimeters with this chain, so that's okay. And you know, let me show you how it's now work, but the bike is ready to go to my friend's house. As when this steering comes, we will just swap it quickly. It is not a huge problem. Oh yes, I adjust a little bit throttle because we didn't have a little throttle slack here, you know. So now we have. I adjust a little bit the idle for the bike, and yeah, let me show you how the bike is working and riding.